Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all of you are doing good and good. Yeah. So in this video, I'm talking about my project of CNN related end-to-end development project in which I have worked for American Sign Language uh, detection. Means you users can means or the machine can understand that signs uh, like hello, yes, no, like this kind of signs by your gestures, by the hand gestures, and and give you the answers. So I'll show you the demo as well. And yeah, and what is that project? I have already committed everything in uh, this for this project. Everything I have committed in my repo. I'll mention in the video, as well as I have, since I have already completed this end-to-end development part for this project. So I have also explained that how you can deploy this project into GitHub, or means how you have to deploy. But before that, means it's important that you have to test it locally. Sometimes what had happened that you deploy successfully your code, but in future you will feel that your code is working in your system, and then it is not working in the production, or wherever you deploy in cloud or anywhere. So to avoid that situations, and it's also chargeable, so you can do what you can do, you can deploy those library or the project in your local first in a Docker machine, or anywhere wherever you want to install in a Docker, and that Docker image you can save it, and then you can reuse it anywhere. So once you will have that Docker image, it is basically you can easily download those, that pull that image, Docker image, and then you can use it. So yeah, so this is, in this video I'm talking about the same thing. So for that, I have committed as my image, created image in DockerHub. You can see that it's, you can search for this Mayank doc job, and then end-to-end object detection. So if you'll go inside, you will easily get the command of the latest image over here, and how you have to pull it and all, everything you can get it. So about this image, oh, let me see where I can get. Okay, build. Yeah, so if you want to pull this image, you just have to copy this and you will get the image. So first, in this video I am just going to show you how you can download this video and take the advantage and start your project immediately. In fact, you will get everything code as well, whatever it is there in the image, and how you can play around with this. So I already committed this files and everything in my GitHub repo in this readme file. You can see it, that how you command to pull the image and then run it. So in this video I'll just want to show you that only first. Let me see, this is my local code, and it is running in here, and I already have opened. Why I have opened it? Because I already have that uh, in my local VS Code configured. So this is nothing. I'm in the code repository, and basically I'll have that steps on top of it. So the same commands to pull the Docker image. So let me see what all things are already there in that Docker ps -a. So all these commands are also mentioned over here. Let me stop this and then remove the image first. this is running for some purpose. Docker stop and this image, this Docker container, cancel it. This is going somewhere else. Let me, where it is, my and Docker image. Yeah, so my image has been stopped. Okay, now let me delete it. Docker rm clear. So now I don't have anything. Let me see what all Docker images I have. Yes, so let me also delete all the images so that you will get that some clear understanding. First let me delete this one. So it was basically 3.1 GB. So let me delete it. Let's see how much time it will take as well. Docker, what I will do, let me start that download first. Let's ensure that it is already deleted. So it's not there. So start downloading. So it's downloading the image of 1.29 GB right now. So once you will have this image, you just have to start the server and then it should work. So let's see whether it will work or not, so that it will be save your time as well for doing that all this end-to-end testing as well for this. So it will work. The only thing is, in this, while I've created this, I have used my AWS credentials, and that credentials I already revoked. So you cannot train again that model, and if you want to do that, I'll also show you that how you can do that. So let's wait for that some time. It is going very fast. Once that will download, we'll try to run it. So these are the commands I already mentioned, how you have to run your image. So this is image, and to create a container, you have to use this command. So it's almost done. So extracting this image, while it's extract, it will, I hope the size will increase. Let's wait. And then basically step by steps to go inside and run that server. So I'll also if it's all done. Let's see, Docker images. So now we have the image. You can see that the size is almost same as earlier. Now next command is creating a container. So now my container is running. To what container it is right now, this is the container ID. I'll have to replace that, and I'll go inside the container. Next command basically, and I am inside my container now. Now let's go inside my folder. I am already in my folder. Activate my environment. So I have already mentioned this here, and then Python app UI. So now let me go and check. Okay, so to ensure that it is running or how it is running, clear, and then let me go again inside this, and another and cd end to end, and then cd logs and ls. Okay, whichever is my latest one. Today is what is the date? Today is 10. So cd 05 underscore 10. So this is my file, and then nano 05 this. So my server is running on port 8080. This is application is running successfully, and let me go inside and find out that any image of the sign language. Okay, and then we go to my repository, and then end to end detection, and then somewhere I'll have the data as well. Collected image, no, not this one. Some artifacts might be there. Yeah, artifacts, data ingestion, feature store, train test. Let me take it from the 10 images. So he is my mentor Bappy Ahmed. He only have teached everything to us. So he already have collected the data and annotated. Yeah, thanks to him. And then this is how it is predicting yes. A similar way I can go and check for the thanks. He did a great job. He is into lot of training material. Predict. So this is no. So this is how you can download the image from this, and then you from the DockerHub, and you can use it. So this is how it will work. If I'll go here, it is already predicting everything here in the Docker. So, and once you will out, okay. So other thing that how you have to change and other things you have to do. Suppose you want to change it. Let me come out from this because I was looking for this, and cd dot dot pwd cls clear pwd. So I'm here ls. So if you want to change your AWS credentials, so how you will do that? So currently if I have already installed AWS CLI and everything here. Configure. So I have already created this one. So this is why I already revoked. If you want to train it and you want to change the anything inside this model or anything, you have to put your credentials and then it will work accordingly. And also you need to create a AWS bucket, and then you can do that. So this is how you can download, means this image now this image is ready with production ready. You can put this image anywhere, anywhere means in any environment where you have a Docker, and then image can work easily. Means you can have to just to start the server. Another way is means that the currently server is running, how you will come out from the server without stopping it. So that command also I mentioned over here in my file. So if you want to exit from the container interactive session but do not want to interrupt the process running it in it, press the Control P and Control Q followed by Control Q. So if I'll press this here, Control P and then Control Q, I am out. And to ensure that this is working, still working, I just type it here. This is still working. So this is how you can do that. And if you want to stop the server, you can stop the Docker, and then, or you want to kill that process, you can stop that easily. So this is how you can come out from your Docker without interrupting the server. I hope you like the video, and you subscribe it and share it if you really like my work. Yep. Thank you very much.